Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this file on Facebook. And there's several ways to do this, and I'm not sure that this way is going to be the best way because it's going to be a little bit different. But we're going to draw a rectangle, and we're going to curve the, let me zoom in here, take the ratio tool and change the corners to get a flat edge. And if you'll notice, let's make it 2 inches for make it math easy. Let's change our nudge factor to 2.1. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. And let's make this one with this unlocked 1.75. Control D. And what that did, that made the next one a little bit smaller. So we need to kind of position these, and we're going to go here and get them equal. We're going to go to Effects, or no, excuse me, Object, Align and Distribute, and use this one right here to put them from the center. That didn't really work. Let's try this one. There we go. Use that one right there. Distribute horizontally. Then I would take these and Control D and make a duplicate and mirror them the opposite way, and then grab them and try to put that last one right on top of it. And then delete that one so you only have one copy. Then take some ellipses. Don't worry about right now getting them even. Control D and make a duplicate. Let's just nudge it or grab the mouse and just move it down a little bit. Let's make it a little bit smaller and then Control D. Tell you what, let's back up. Let's make it quite a bit smaller. Control D. Then let's grab these, Control D, and let's mirror them this way. Don't worry about getting them evenly. Let's go here and press E for even on the keyboard. Now let's align them again like we did the other ones. Now we're still at 3 point. Let's make them, with this lock, let's make them 0.35 just for math reasons. Let's make this 3.7, which is our nudge distance. Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it. 0.37. Grab them all, Control D, make a duplicate, and move it down. That's not quite enough. Let's go 4.4. Control D. That's still not enough. Let's go 4.45. Control D, Control D, Control D, and you could use step and repeat on this. And then after you get so far, instead of doing that all the way down, you could figure out the size of your object is now 8.9. Let's change our nudge factor to 8.9 plus 0.45. And let's Control D. Yeah, we moved it too much. But you can, for the video, I'm just going to visually nudge it up just a hair. Grab our box. What I'm trying to do is just, that's pretty good. Let's go Control D one more time. And when you're backed up, you can actually, I'm holding down the control button. Then group this together. Control G. Go to your envelope tool, which is under your drop shadow flyout. And let's add some nodes. Let's zoom in here. Go to your envelope tool. And let's add some nodes, like right there. I might have to zoom in to get where I can see this. And if you were doing this for real, you would want to make sure you're on the right spot evenly. But I'm just giving you the idea And it's going to change it up a little bit, and you could do a lot with these nodes. Now just take, and I would use for sure let's see how big this thing is. It is 12 inches, so let's change our nudge factor to 3. And let's grab that node we made and nudge it in. That's probably too much, but you get the idea. And if you did everything symmetrical and even, now it did change the shape of the circles a little bit, but it looks pretty close to that, and you can see when you're zoomed out that this is not, I didn't nudge them the exact same amount. But that's one way to do it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.